Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to perform mouse over action in Selenium WebDrivers. So in my last video, I talked about the right-click action in Selenium WebDrivers, and in this video, we'll see mouse over. So there I mentioned like we have different types of actions available in Selenium WebDriver. So one of that was Selenium right-click, now is mouse over. Before doing this automation for this mouse over, it's very important to know what exactly the mouse over is. So this is one of the most common website, that is Amazon.com. So everyone is familiar with this. So in this Amazon website, you see this option, hello, sign in, accounts and list. So this element, you see, when I take my mouse to this particular element or to particular this section, then this box area is visible. If I remove my mouse from here, then that part also disappears. Now this type of action is called mouse over. And we'll try to automate this thing. So through code, we'll try to do this, like we'll try to perform mouse over this element, click on any one of the options available here, and then see what outcome we get. So in this mouse over, basically it's used for copying elements. Basically, it's like go and make that element visible for you to perform different tasks. Now let's understand different test cases here for mouse over. So here is different test cases. First, you need to navigate to the web page that has menu with drop-down item. That is the one that was visible, the navigate one. And again, allocate the menu items using Selenium WebDrivers and perform a mouse over action. So what you need to do, that item, that is the login and sign in item, you need to locate that item. And once that item is located, then verify the drop-down menus in display contains the expected options. That means once this thing is like here, then we need to check whether all the options are available or not. Next, at last, you need to perform click on any one of the items. That's what we are going to do here. So in this particular code, we will perform these test cases and see how it works and how you can do this mouse over. Now, this is the code for mouse over. Now let's understand this code, how we use the mouse over. Before going to this code, I'll suggest that if you have not watched my right-click video, then please go and watch that, because the steps are similar to what we have done in right-click. So you'll find it easy to understand the concepts if you watch the sequence, or you can say all the videos related to actions in one shot, like right-click, mouse over, and the other one will be drag and drop. Okay, let's understand this program. So as usual, we have passed the driver link. After that, we have just here, I have created the reference of the Chrome driver. Using this reference, I passed the Amazon website. Now, the next step based on the test case is locate that element. Locate the element means locate this particular element, hello, sign in, accounts, and list. So that element is located using XPath. Once that is done, now this part is similar to what we do in right-click. Again, here I'll be using action class. So remember, every time to perform action, you'll be using the action class and create a reference of that action class. Once the reference is created, then using that reference, you will call move to element method. So remember, in right-click, you use context click. In mouse over, you will use move to element method. And in this move to element method, you will pass the element where you want to perform that move to element task. So just to perform that thing, you need to pass that element. And again, this .build.perform is common in case of performing actions. Now, by doing this, mouse over activity will be performed. And once the mouse over is performed, then the last test case was like just to select a list or select an item from that drop down. That means once this element is here, so from here, just I want to select any one of the options. So I'm trying to perform click on this create a list option. So as usual here, locate that create a list element and then use .click method. This will make that particular click there on create a list section. Now let's save this and run this and see how this thing is working. So now this Chrome driver opens, the Amazon website opens, the mouse goes over that hello sign in option. And once it's there, it takes a value from there, that is create a list, perform click on it, and it's done. So this is how you can perform mouse over in Selenium WebDrivers. That's all in this video. See you in next video. Till then, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends if you like the video. See you next video. Bye bye. Thank you.